Hi everyone, I'm back with the next type of sentences, and that are the compound sentences. A compound sentence is a sentence that joins two independent clauses together with a coordinating conjunction or semicolon. This means that in a compound sentence, there are two independent clauses. Now, what are the independent clauses? Independent clauses are the clauses which can stand alone as a sentence which has a complete meaning in itself, that can alone stand as a sentence, can be used as a single sentence, and those two independent clauses are present in the compound sentence, but they are joined together with a conjunction or a semicolon. Once again, a compound sentence is a sentence that joins two independent clauses together. They are joined together sometimes with a conjunction like and, but, or, and sometimes they are joined together with the use of a semicolon. So, this can easily make a compound sentence. For this, you need two independent clauses, conjunction, as well as the semicolon. So let's understand this topic by one example, that I like tea and he likes coffee. In this complete sentence, compound sentence, I like tea, he likes coffee. Both are two independent clauses. Like first one, I like tea. I like tea, this is the independent clause because this is giving us a complete meaning, complete information that I like tea. It's the independent clause. Next is he likes coffee. And this independent clause is also a complete meaning. This is giving us the complete information. So both these are the independent clauses and they are joined together with the coordinating conjunction, that is and. So in this way, I like tea and he likes coffee. This is a complete example of compound sentence which carries two independent clauses. A compound sentence consists of two independent clauses joined by a comma or a coordinating conjunction. And whenever you want to learn about the coordinating conjunction, you can easily learn it by learning a word, fanboys, in which F stands for for, A stands for and, N stands for nor, B stands for but, O stands for or, Y stands for yet, and S stands for so. So in this way, you can easily learn all the coordinating conjunctions. For example, he was tired. He went to bed early. He was tired. It's a complete sentence, complete information. He went to bed early. That is the another complete clause. So both these complete or independent clauses are joined with the help of a conjunction, that is for. Next, I cooked dinner and he washed the dishes. I cooked the dinner is a complete information. He washed the dishes, another independent clause. So both are joined with and. Jane has a red car, Jill has a blue car. Both independent clauses are joined with the conjunction but. So let's read some more examples, like I want to lose weight, yet I eat chocolates daily. So, in this compound sentence example, I want to lose weight. It's a complete information, it's an independent clause, and the next one is I eat chocolates daily. It's also a complete sentence. So, both these independent clauses are joined with the help of a conjunction, that is yet. Michael did not like to read, she was not very good at it. They wanted to go to the Paris, but I wanted to see London. But is the another conjunction. She is very smart and she knows it. And both the independent clauses are joined with the conjunction and. I think you would enjoy the party. I don't mind if you stay home. If is the another joining word. I don't want to drink. I don't want to eat. The boys sang and the girls danced. And Mary was out of milk, so she went to the store. So He didn't want to go to the dentist, yet he went anyway, yet. So we can easily see that in all the examples, two independent clauses are there and they are joined with the coordinating conjunctions like yet and etc. So once again, a compound sentence has two or more independent clauses. For example, the students finished class and they went to the lunch. Kevin did not want to hurt Kathy's feelings, so he said nothing about her mistake. In this sentence, Kevin didn't want to hurt Kathy's feelings. This is the independent clause. He said nothing about her mistakes. Another independent clause joined with the conjunction so. I want to see my sister soon, for she has been in Switzerland for 2 years. So in this compound sentence, I want to see my sister soon is the one independent clause, and she has been in Switzerland for 2 years, the next independent clause. And both these independent clauses are joined with the conjunction for. So in this way, we can easily understand, we can easily recognize the compound sentences because they carry two independent clause, sometimes more, but they are joined with the help of conjunction. I hope you understood this. Thank you.